Well, aside from winning cases, which of course is very rewarding, the most important aspect of my job and the most rewarding aspect of my job is the ability to solve problems. And what do I mean by that? I mean advising clients on the law, on the various options that the client may have in light of the facts of a given situation and the course of action that the client can take to protect the client's interest and hopefully to avoid litigation. I enjoy tremendously the ability to communicate in a clear and understandable way with a client and to know that the client is on the same wavelength. It's not an easy goal to achieve, but it seems to me to be the most rewarding aspect of my practice. All of us have adjusted to changing times and in a way reinvented ourselves. When I started practicing, I worked heavily in the area of government regulation, transportation regulation, environmental regulation, utility regulation. That led me to focus on state and local government problems, and I worked in that area probably for about 10 years. As a natural outgrowth of that, I began to get involved in employment law, mostly representing employers on issues like discharge and of employees, discrimination claims by employees, and more recently and more significantly, I suppose, in the area of employee mobility. My focus in community service and volunteer work has been to try to find areas that interest me, where I can give back to the community, but to do work in an area that I like, with people that I like, where I may have some ability to help an organization. Right now, I'm very active on the board of the Mainline Arts Center in Haverford. This is a wonderful community arts center that has teaching and outreach programs and exhibits. 15,000 or more people come through the Arts Center's doors every year. Right now, we're going through a major renovation project. It's a tremendous asset to the community. It's been around for 75 years. It's a working board. We do everything from run elegant parties to help to move boxes when the organization is relocating its offices temporarily, and it's been really an exhilarating experience. Beyond that, I've worked on the board of our local library. I help with community cleanup events. I'm a member of Rotary, not a particularly active member, but I do try to help the organization out whenever I can. I've been on the board of our local civic association. It's all fairly local work, but that's where I think that we can have the greatest impact.